Good morning, guys. I'm John, the owner of Blaze of Grass Lawn Care in beautiful Savannah, Georgia. And today I'm going to show you how to extremely trim down or minimize the height of a Loropetalum shrub. Loropetalum shrubs are extremely fast growing shrubs. What we want to do is the owner wants it at a certain level, but if the owner wants it here, we're going to chop it down to here. Why? Because once it starts to grow, it's going to grow like fingers, like that, and then you keep chopping it, and eventually it'll make a nice flat bed on the top. If you cut it to the height where they want it, then you start cutting it and you're going to have holes inside. Make sense? I'm going to trim this all the way down. Now also, remember, you need to know the growing habits of your shrubs, because when we cut this down, it's going to be nothing but sticks poking out on the top. So you need to educate your customer on exactly how it grows and how long it's going to take to get back to that nice full looking shrub. Okay? Awesome. Enjoy. Now once it starts to grow, about here, we trim it. Trim it every month. We trim it. Take it right across. And by the end of next summer, it should be nice and full. One long hedge. Alright guys, thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. Have a blessed one. Smoke. Peace.